What's the meaning of constabulary? Constabulary. Constabulary.
Constabulary. Constabulary. The term constabulary refers to the law enforcement agency of a particular locality or region, typically at the municipal or county level. It is most commonly used in reference to the police force of a particular area, but can also refer to other security forces or agencies charged with maintaining public order and safety. The term comes from the Latin constar, meaning to stand firm, and reflects the core role of constabularies in maintaining order and stability within society. Constabularies typically operate within a defined jurisdiction and are subject to the laws and regulations of that area.